did he leave?
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses. Toads are so unpleasant.
Take that, Nefarious!
Oh dear, he is targeting us. His defenses are weakening. Amoeboids. Where did Nefarious find these?
Today my ultimate plan comes to fruition. It is perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have we heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter.
Today will be the last time.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
It's me.
To the depths
How
with
many
ya!
arms you got?
Boy.
We've been boarded! Get off me ship, foul creature!
Did I do it? Or what? Is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator, it... What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.